Hey pack leaders, this is here, President for Protecting Families and Protecting Pack. Excuse the mess, we're moving to Texas, so we're just getting things packed up. But I want to give you a TRX setting that's doing well. This is on a live wallet. I'm actually using only 1% portfolio. There's a feature in the tuner that allows you to auto-calculate your position. So I'm testing right now with just a very low amount to see, make sure it's consistent before I dump more into this. So or add more funds into it. So with that, it auto-calculate a contract of 426 Tron, but so that's 1% of the entire portfolio. Okay, and here's the settings that's doing 14% ROE. And go ahead and take a snapshot of this, pause it if you need to, and try it out for yourself. Okay, and if it works out, you want to get access to the tuner. It's in the link below. What it'll also do is if it you want to use 5x leverage or less on altcoins. I don't have a thing to kind of change that automatically, but I just put 10x so that everything's 10x. So it should be fine too. If it does get liquidated for some weird reason at low leverage, it'll be able to auto restart itself, reset, and continue to trade and recalculate the trade amount. Okay. Alright, so hopefully that helps. Go ahead and see if this works. Comment below if it's done well for you. Thanks.